Hello all, welcome back to another YouTube video. So as I promised in my last video with the ML63, I said that we were getting some more exciting cars on the channel. So as you can probably tell now already by the title of the video, we've got a Golf GTI Club Sport Edition. And wow, I've just brought this car up these roads here and it's surprised me quite pleasantly, in all honesty. What a car. Of course, we'll be getting in the car, provide you a bit more of an insight as to what I have felt so far, take you for a bit of drive, and yeah, just let you know how the car is to drive. So before I do that, this car has been provided by the Vegan Gummy Co. So it's these guys, they've sponsored the video. Give these guys a big like. They're on Instagram. I'll be putting their details here. They're at, and yeah, give them a follow. Because of them, we've got our hands on a GTI, so thank you very much, Vegan Gummy. Big shout out. So yeah guys, as you can see, I'm expecting the white with these beautiful wheels. It does look absolutely stunning. I mean, I love that roof spoiler as well. It really does look like a proper hot hatch. These GTI, the details on them are fantastic. Of course, being the Club Sport as well, you get those little decals there on the sides as well. Does set it apart. And of course, being the GTI, you get these red accents there on this wing, the brake caliper, and of course on the front as well. Really menacing front. Do love this car. I've always been a fan of it, and I'm glad that I've been able now, or been given the opportunity to review a car like this. But yeah, without further ado, let's not waste any time. Let's jump in the car and let's see what it's all about. Actually, before I do that, let's get the start up first. Let's see how that sounds. Let's give it a few revs. What we'll do, we'll start up in eco first, rev it, see how it sounds, compare it, we'll put it in sport then, and then yeah, do the same thing. Let's see what the difference is. But yeah guys, check this out. Okay, so currently we're in eco mode. Go on, start it. Go on, rev it. Again, hard. Sounded quite decent, that, didn't it, for eco? And yeah, it was quite surprising. There's a lot of verbals in there, quite a deep sound, but yeah, really impressive. Now we'll try that now in sport, of course. So let's try that again. Okay, let's start it in sport. Give some revs. Go on, go on. Wow. Sounds a lot better, doesn't it? The pops are a lot more enhanced. Sounds amazing. Yeah, great. So yeah guys, before we get going with the video, I'm just gonna give another shout out to the Vegan Gummy Co. It's because of these guys we've got the GTI Club Edition. So big shout out. Of course, the sweets itself are very nice, so do definitely give them a follow, try it out, let me know what you think. Okay, without further ado, let's get the car started. Not bad. Let's see what this car is all about. Okay, so currently we are in sport mode. Let's just try it in sport. Why not? Let's just go for the full hog and see what this car really is about. So like I said, of course, I've driven up to these country roads. This is probably the best place really where you can safely test these cars and see how they perform and how they handle and the rest of it. So on my journey, short journey up here, I very quickly got the gist of this car, and from what I gathered, it's quite light from what I gathered, and it just feels very quick. It just gets on with it. So yeah, let's talk more about that. Okay, let's join these roads. There go the geese. Okay. Wow. The power delivery is immense. And I think because it feels light, it feels faster as well. I don't know if that makes sense, but it makes sense in my head so far. But yeah, I mean, it just picks up and goes. There's not much slap. And the handling, wow, they've got the handling so right. It is perfect. Literally, every millimeter you point the steering wheel, it's gonna go in that direction, and so accurately and so quickly. Wow. Very quickly then we hit some high speeds. This car picks up speed like no other, and it's only the GTI as well. Bloody hell, what's the Golf R like? But yeah, this is really, they've got this car so right. I've always wanted to drive a Golf GTI. There's always been so much talk behind it, so much chat, so much discussion. I'm so glad I've been able to get my hands on one. But yeah, I can see what the hype is about. I really can. Serious speed. I don't know how to explain this car. So yeah, I think because of the lightness of it, it feels a lot quicker. And I'm not sure if it's a rear or four-wheel drive. I need to do my homework on this, to be honest. But it feels like you're going to lose the back end, but I don't think you will. But it feels like you're going to lose the back end, and then it just gets on, it manages to grip it, and it just carries on. But yeah, I mean, being a 2-litre turbo 300 brake is quite similar to my M135i. Probably will do a video on that and do a head-to-head. I think that would be a good idea. But direct comparison right now, this feels quicker. It does feel quicker. It feels a lot more, how do I say it, violent in its progression through the gears. But yeah, I mean, immense. Really does feel really good. Okay, let's get back on the road. And the sound. Wow, we've got the sound. It's a really nice, deep sound. It feels like you're driving a bigger engine. Doesn't feel like a 2-litre. Definitely sounds better than my BM. Have I bought the wrong car? Doesn't mess around, it just gets on with it. It's quick, agile, quick on its toes. Steering is nice and heavy. Takes the bends beautifully. We're going through these bends with quite some speed, and yeah, it's taking it quite easily without any drama, not much hassle. Got a cyclist here, great. Wonderful. What a car. Drives unbelievable. The power's relentless. It feels like it's never going to lose power. It's going to keep on just barging on and not stop. But yeah, I think the main thing that I'm gonna take away from this video is I think it is what the main character of this car. It feels very light. It feels a lot quicker because of that. I think That's the only conclusion I can get to. Wow, really, I'm surprised, honestly. A Golf R must be amazing if this is so good. But yeah, wow, I'm blown away. I'm blown away. Wow. So yeah, guys, to summarize, I'm blown away. Literally, this car has hit me for a 6. It has surprised me, to be honest, because when I did see the Note 60 on it, it said it was 5.6 seconds, so I had massively underestimated it. I saw that on Trader, so I didn't really think it'd be that quick, but it really once you drive a car, it really does put everything into perspective. That's when you know it's not everything that's on paper, it's the way it drives, it's the way it goes. And honestly, the way this has gone, this is, like I said, this is 5.6. My M135i is 4.8 or 4.7 in the books. This felt a lot quicker. It got a bit more of an adrenaline rush, I think, because it is the lightweight element, but you got that feeling when you did put your right foot down. But yeah, really like this car, and it has pleasantly surprised me. So yeah, I will definitely be doing another video on this. I'm gonna probably will film it now, to be honest. I've got the M135i there as well. So yeah, I'm gonna do another video of this and the M135i head to head. Let's see how they compare. And yeah, let's give you a bit of an insight of what you can get for around 30 grand nowadays. But yeah, bought a car, really good. Thank you again to Vegan Gummy Co. Big shout out to these guys. There's the Instagram, I'm gonna put that up again. Give them a follow, try it out, you won't be disappointed. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. Please, as always, do like, share and subscribe. Gonna get some more cars on for you, gonna keep the channel growing. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for your love so far. Take care, have a good day.